Recording transactions. Transactions related to credit purchases and accounts payable are initially recorded in the purchases ledger, where each supplier has a separate account, and the totals of these individual accounts are then summarized in the purchases ledger control account, the general ledger. So for the debit entries now, debits are made to control accounts for the following reasons I'm going to mention now. The first reason is purchases on credit from suppliers are debited to increase the total payable balance. Another reason is returns of goods to suppliers. Purchases return. Purchases return are debited to decrease the total payable balance. For the credit entries now, credit entries are made to the control account for few reasons I'm going to make mention now. The first reason is payments made to suppliers. The payment made to suppliers, what I mean by this is reducing payable balance. These reducing payable balances are credited. Another reason is discounts received from suppliers are also credited. Another one is also corrective entries to rectify errors are also credited. So that's about that. Let's go into reconciliation and reporting. At the end of an accounting period, the balance of a purchases ledger control account must match the total of the outstanding balances in the individual accounts payable. So any form of discrepancies are truly or only investigated and resolved. And the reconciled balances of the control accounts, it serves as the correct liability figure for financial reporting because it accurately represents the company's obligations to suppliers, and it is used in preparation of financial statements such as the balance sheet. So guys, let me now go into the concluding part of purchases ledger control account. In conclusion now, purchases ledger control account is an essential tool that helps businesses in effectively managing credits, purchases, accounts payable, and supplier relationship. It contributes to accurate financial reporting, internal control, and decision-making processes by providing a consolidated view of the company's liability. Through efficient use and reconciliation, the control account ensures that a company's financial records are complete, accurate, and compliant with accounting standard, which is very crucial for any business or an organization. So guys, to this we've come to the end of the lecture in relation to control account.